This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Video, we'll be looking at how to increase the image size of any images that you have on the blog page of your Bedford theme. And this is for a Squarespace site. So we've made that change here where we've increased the size of the image. Here's what it usually looks like, and that's the change we made. So as you can see, the image is now much larger that we've applied the change. So the change is actually a CSS adjustment, and you're really actually not increasing the image size, although that's the result. You're actually increasing the width of the page, like right across here. So on the regular site, the width is quite narrow for the blog page, and we're just going to increase that width, and in so doing, you get a much larger image since the image size directly correlates with the width of the blog section. So to get the same effect, what we're going to do is to go into the back end of the site. You're going to click on Design. Next, go to Custom CSS. And right in this box, we're going to type that CSS adjustment. So we're going to start with .collection-type-blog. And this makes sure we apply this change only to the blog page. Then we're going to add hashtag page, hashtag content, then our open and closing curly braces. And we're going to type max width 1,000 pixels. 1,000. And the default is actually 700 pixels. This is only 700. And we're going to switch that to 1,000. So we're going to also add our important flag. And as you can see, the change didn't apply until I added exclamation mark important. And that's because we need this to override the current setting. So you're going to need to hit save to apply those changes. And once you do that, you'll see that your images are now going to be much larger. And if you want, you can also just take this out and switch it to body. And that will apply the max width of 1,000 pixels to every single page of your site, so that not only on the blog page does it make it larger, but on all the other pages, so there's some consistency if you want. Right, so that's pretty much how you get it done.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.